Lincoln Play is the in-vehicle rear seat entertainment system in the Lincoln Black Label Navigator SUV. It allows second-row passengers to browse and play video content from their favorite streaming services using Screen Hits TV. The first-time user experience will present you with a series of setup steps. Follow the prompts for selecting your preferred language, pairing the remote control, pairing the monitors, network setup, and choosing Bluetooth audio. Connecting the monitors to a Wi-Fi source such as the vehicle hotspot, if equipped, or your own device will be required during initial setup. You will also need to set up how you would like your audio to be broadcast via Bluetooth to either the vehicle or your device. Next, scan the QR code on the screen. This will take you to a URL to register an account and gain access to your 3-year Screen Hits TV subscription, which is included with your vehicle purchase. Once an account is created, the screen will automatically update. And once the screen is updated, you will be able to begin customizing your Screen Hits TV. A navigation bar at the top of the display will be hidden when not in use. Now, to expose the bar, you just have to slide your finger down from the top edge of the screen, or you can use the remote to operate these functions and more. You can change the input source from under the input selector, raise or lower the volume, and duplicate the screen to show the same visual on both displays, all from the navigation bar up top. If you select the settings icon, you'll find assistance with general setup, adjusting screen brightness, volume, connectivity settings, software updates, a tutorial, user manual, and more. Next, locate your preferred streaming services and add them to your Screen Hits TV account. The first time you select a streaming service to watch, you will be asked to log into your streaming service account with your username and password. You can also arrange your streaming services in your preferred order or remove them altogether. Each monitor is also equipped with an HDMI and USB-C port to allow for use of a laptop computer, a tablet, or gaming system. Connect the device to the display, then select HDMI or USB-C from the drop-down menu up top in the navigation bar to begin watching. Thanks for watching.